In this video, I will show you how to simply find your tracking number in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Xianyu shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. Just like so. After you open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, the next thing you want to do is to navigate to the product you just paid for. So for that, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Then I'll get to your profile. This is where you need to track the product that you paid for in order to get your tracking number. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to see all the products you just paid for. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on anyone you are looking for the tracking number. So I'm using this particular product as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open up the chart. Just like so. Now, once the product has been shipped by the seller, you are going to see this particular box icon right here. And for you to get your tracking number and copy it, simply click on here. Once you click on that, then you have successfully, then you have successfully copied your tracking number. And the tracking number given is this right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to source, ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.